Okay, so part two. Really part one, but I just did my intro and it disappeared on me. How interesting is that? So I thought I would do a quick little balance around the biggest, nastiest things that people have called me in the last year. So that if it rings true for you, for anywhere in your life, then hopefully it will just help to clear some of that negative energy. I want to turn it into light and love, and bring in our God within, and just take it easy. So okay, so running that central meridian, and this I thought is about owning it, whatever that is, whatever percentage is there, or maybe there's something genetic linking into it, or maybe there's something past life linking into it, or maybe there's something that you simply believe. It's like the old propaganda tool. You get told lies enough and it starts to hit home and we believe it. It's like Julia Roberts says in Pretty Woman, the bad stuff is easier to believe. Okay, so run that central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart. Holding those emotional stress release points. Allowing that energy to come to the frontal cortex. Allows logical and creative thinking, and it gets our energy away from the survival reptilian brain, gets it into our humanness, our human 1.0, the best version of ourselves. Okay, so I'm going to go with the one that's in my mind the most, and I'm just going to own it. I am evil. I am a fraud. I am evil. I am a fraud. I am evil. I am a fraud. Okay, so that is going straight into a pain and punishment circuit. Okay, so current, old, so this life, yes, past life, genetics. Okay, so this life, so, okay, so 45 to 40 to 35 to 30 to 25. Okay, so between 25 and 30, so 25 to 26 to 27, 26 to 27 years old. Okay, I've been married a few years by then, a couple of kids. I had started maybe my third naturopathic clinic at that stage. Actually, there was some fairly big family stuff going on at that stage as well. A big family thing that lasted about 8-10 years. Okay. Releasing any and all pain and punishment circuits. I turn any part of myself that is evil into light and love. I transform any part of myself that is a fraud into light and love. I accept any and all God energy to illuminate my way. I accept any and all peace, love and grace to illuminate my way forward. I am evil. I am a fraud. Okay, the next one showing up as escape, submission, freeze. And when people are name calling, what are they doing? They're just trying to suppress you. They're trying to shut down your light, shut down your source, shut down your sense of peace and goodness. They want you to scurry back to the corner and not to be seen. Okay, so escape, submission, freeze, so current. So once again, current, past life, past in this life. Okay, so once again to 45 to 40 to 35 to 30 again. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So it's around that 29, 30 years old. Okay, a real wanting to escape. So around 30, we actually bought this house. Things were going pretty good. We had our first 2 incomes for the first time in our married life. We'd always had one until then. It was quite a struggle. I suppose when you learn any new techniques, because I was fairly new into kinesiology in my first 3, 4, 5 years, and occasionally there would be those people who came in. Actually, I've got one in mind. Occasionally you'd get those people who would come in and say, I'm not going to tell you anything, I'm going to let the kinesiology tell me everything. You know, so I once had a guy from Channel 10 News do that. I had a mother and husband, hubby and parents. I had parents bring along their 6-year-old son, and they wouldn't tell me anything, and I looked in his eyes, did some iridology, I popped him on the table, and everything was just so accurate with what showed up. It was one of those times when I was thinking, holy crap, what if, you know, because what do you do when someone says, I'm not telling you anything? Anyway, it's pretty funny. Okay. Escape, submission, freeze. So I suppose at every step of my way within my learnings, you know, over the last 30 years, I've learnt, or 30, well, however long, I've learnt different things. And then each step of the way, I suppose you do feel like a bit of a fraud until you get the knowledge and the belief in what you're doing in underneath that. Okay, so once again, releasing any and all thoughts of evil, releasing any and all thoughts of being a fraud, and filling my cells with love and light, filling my cells with the God within, filling my cells with grace and peace. Okay, so, and I can feel this one. So this one's a hippocampal circuit, and it's to do with when that internal negativity switches off your motivation. So the last thing you want to do is put yourself out there again when there's abuse coming. So once again, that part of the hippocampus which is about memory, it's about motivation, it's about moving forward, it just gets jammed when that internal negative thought process. We need to raise our vibrations. You know, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. 1,000, you know, getting up there, we're above love. We're into that enlightenment stage. So it's about owning where we are on the planet, owning where we are in our spiritual journey, owning where we are in our peace and light and love journey, being able to let go of resentment and anger, being able to own your choices, being able to own your truth. Okay, I am evil, I am a fraud. Is there any psychological reversal? Want, need, think, save, believe, deserve, trust? Okay. I move forward with peace and love. I move forward with understanding. I move forward with grace. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, everyone, I hope you have a spectacular day. Sleep well. Actually, two little videos I watched in the last couple of days. One was with Richard Fleming. It's on the cmnnews.org. Definitely worth a listen. And the other one was with Dr. Zev Zelenko this morning on Stupidus. So both of those really worth a listen if you're interested in, you know, just just another perspective to what's on the propaganda machine. Take care, everyone. Love you. Bye.